Sodium. Control thoroughly from now on. Sodium, which is the most important ingredient for the human body, but when it's consumed excessively, it's as deadly as a toxin, right? How much do we usually pay attention to sodium intake management? Watch your health with healthy sodium intake management by checking yourself. Step 1. Gradually reduce sodium intake and adapt your palate. It can be challenging to adjust to a lower sodium diet, but it's important to remember that taste buds can adapt over time. Gradually decrease the amount of salt you use in cooking and at the table, allowing your palate to adjust to the taste of less salty foods. Additionally, be patient and give yourself time to adapt to the new flavors, as it may take a few weeks for your taste buds to become more sensitive to salt and appreciate the natural flavors of foods. Step 2. Educate yourself on sodium intake recommendations and individual needs. Familiarize yourself with the daily sodium intake recommendations set by health authorities, such as the World Health Organization and national dietary guidelines. For most adults, the general guideline is to consume no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. However, this may vary depending on factors like age, medical conditions, and activity level. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine your specific sodium intake requirements based on your personal circumstances. Step 3. Read food labels and track your sodium intake. Make a habit of checking the nutritional information on food labels to determine the sodium content in packaged and processed foods. Opt for low sodium or sodium-free options when available, and be mindful of serving sizes, as consuming multiple servings can lead to a higher sodium intake than initially anticipated. Utilize food tracking apps or keep a food diary to monitor your daily sodium consumption, which can help you make better informed decisions about the foods you eat. Step 4. Cook at home and control sodium levels with alternative flavor enhancers. Preparing meals at home allows you to have better control over the ingredients, including the amount of sodium added to your dishes. Experiment with herbs, spices, vinegar, and citrus to enhance the flavor of your meals without relying on excessive salt. You can also try using potassium-based salt substitutes, which can help reduce sodium intake while still providing a salty taste. However, consult with a healthcare professional before using salt substitutes, as they may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with kidney issues. Step 5. Limit processed and fast foods, and make healthier choices when eating out. Processed and fast foods tend to be high in sodium. Reducing your consumption of these foods and replacing them with whole, unprocessed options like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help you manage your sodium intake more effectively. When eating out, ask for low-sodium options, request that your meal is prepared without added salt, or choose dishes with less sauce or dressing, as these can be significant sources of sodium. Drinking adequate water can help flush out excess sodium from your body and maintain a proper electrolyte balance. Make sure you're consuming enough water throughout the day, especially if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Physical activity can help regulate blood pressure, which is directly affected by sodium intake. By maintaining a regular exercise routine and a healthy weight, you can reduce the risk of hypertension and other health complications related to excessive sodium consumption. Share your knowledge about the importance of controlling sodium intake with friends and family, and encourage them to join you in making healthier food choices. This can create a supportive environment that makes it easier to maintain a lower sodium lifestyle and promote overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching.